G'day guys, welcome to Sumo's Projects and welcome to this week's project build. This is a wine or alcohol bottle holder and also holds up to 6 glasses. Very simple, it's foldable, it's practical to put away in storage, but when you want to go out and have a bit of fun and relax, this is an item that can be handy to have in the back of the car or wherever you may be. So if this is the first time you've viewed Sumo's Projects, please go ahead, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Alright, let's make it! So g'day guys, a customer gave me a template of this existing holder and I set about making 4 more of them. I traced out the profile and then I went about taking some cuts to rough sizing and getting it ready for the rest of the mark out. So the overall size of the top was 500mm by 200mm and I used some plywood which was about I think 12mm thick here, but you can use whatever material you got. These are the dimensions I was working off of here. I set about cutting out all the profiles and that, and then cutting more sheets down to be able to go ahead and commence making the rest of this up. I'm finding the centre of the hole here. This is for where you put the wine bottle through, or whiskey bottle, whatever you drink, and that's about a 95mm hole which you can cut out with a hole saw. So not too bad a process here so far. Bit of a clean up. And now these are the holders for the wine glasses which go in upside down, and those holes are drilled out at 30mm. So this is a cutout. It's approximately 13mm. Have a wine glass and see how the fit goes. This is a pretty good process. Now I'm starting to machine up the parts to make the legs, and using my nice little idea here. I don't know if anyone thought of this, but it's a reversible stop which can get a lot closer to the blade. Anyhow, proceeding on here, cutting a lot more parts. Now the bevel for the legs is 6 degrees. A 6-degree bevel, and that should get you enough of an angle to splay those legs out nicely. Once your top's been cut to size, it's time to go to the router table. I put a round over bit in here, and that's going to provide just a little bit of a smooth surface. And yeah, this process is always part and parcel of getting things as smooth as you can. Now I've sort of measured out for the legs where I want to position these here, and you've got to make sure your orientation of your bevel angle is facing the right way. So when you attach these other parts to secure it together, it's imperative you've got it the right way around. As far as the legs go, I have 4 parts, 215mm by 30mm wide, 1 part 240mm by 30, that's part of the cross section, and then one at 180 by 30, that's cross section number 2. And you'll find that it's the correct sort of dimensions for this small project. And I must say, 4 hinges, not easy to put together when you've got sausage fingers, but as you can see, we're going along all right here. Now I'm making a little bit of it, this is to hold the splay open, so I'm gluing a bit of a piece underneath the stretcher at the bottom, and this will ensure then it won't creep back in and collapse. Last part is give it a good old sand up, make sure there's no sharp edges, and apply whatever type of finish you want to put onto it. I chose a spray on product here, which is okay. You can do it any way you wish. So guys, thank you very much for watching. This is it, and I hope you got something out of it. So until next time, all the best. Hooroo.